Snow Bees apiaries, the hippie beekeeper here. Prepping for winter. We're making quilt boards. I simply just took some 1x3s, drilled some holes, put some window screening on it. Here's the window screening. It's not wire. I guess it's some kind of fiberglass or something other. And I took chicken fence, cut a piece 15 by 18 and a half, made a frame. I'll be taking little pieces of scrap. We'll put it in here, make a ledge to where the screen and the chicken wire will fit in. This one here, the other ones have holes in them for ventilation. I'm gonna test, and I'm not gonna put any ventilation in it. See what happens. Everything we do, we got to get ready for winter. Up here in the north, it gets, had anywhere from 4 foot to 17 foot of snow. So once we get all these put together, I'd say probably 1st of November I'll put the candy boards on. And by the way, my candy board. Very simple. Same kind of frame with just solid bottom. Cut some holes in it. I'll take sugar, water, a little bit of vinegar, mix it together. It won't be sugar syrup. It'll be not as like pretty much like a cake almost. Sugar cakes. And we'll put them in there, and hopefully we'll see their bees next spring. So until next time.